Hey guys, finally OnePlus launched his first foldable smartphone OnePlus Open and it makes some headline. Yeah, we got some hand-on battery test video and it looked like a battery jam. One of the biggest difference between the OnePlus Open and its competitor is battery life and charging speed. And the phone battery capacity is 4805 mAh battery and it supports 67 watt fast charging. As I mentioned, the battery capacity 4805 mAh, which is lower than the typical smartphone 5000 mAh battery. On the other hand, the Google Pixel Fold have the big battery 4821 mAh and the Galaxy Z Fold 5 have a 4400 mAh battery. So in the real life battery testing, the OnePlus Open perform very well. So as you can see that OnePlus Open performs similarly to the Pixel Fold and overall you can get 10 hour plus screen on time. In the charging test, the OnePlus Open fully charged from 0 to 100% in 43 minutes. So overall the OnePlus Open is the best budget friendly foldable smartphone. So that what do you think about the OnePlus Open? Let me know in the comment section below and thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.